गाइस टेक्सास आए और बारबेक्यू नहीं सैंपल किया, ये तो हो ही नहीं सकता। हमने यहाँ एक जगह ढूंढी है, उसका नाम है ब्लेक्स बारबेक्यू। थोड़ा आउट ऑफ द वे है, कुछ ऐसे इलाके में जो ज़्यादा कुछ है नहीं, लेकिन लोग कहते हैं कि यहाँ का बर्गर इस पूरे स्टेट में सबसे बेस्ट है। इट्स कॉल्ड ब्लेक्स बारबेक्यू और हम पता करेंगे कि आखिर इस बर्गर की क्या ख़ास बात है और ये ब्लेक साहब कौन है, आइए ज़रा पता करते हैं। गाइस मैं द फेमस ब्लेक बारबेक्यू में हूँ और मेरे साथ हैं ब्लेक। ब्लेक, how are we doing here?
Doing good, buddy.
Get some burgers going?
Yes, sir.
All right. Well, how are we doing on this burger?
Okay, we kind of we get our
Look
meat
at that.
and we buy it and we kind of pat it and make it. It's about 8 ounces of meat. There.
So wait, you just squished it all up?
No, we're making it better.
Oh, you're making it better.
We're
Okay.
making it better.
Do your thing. Do your thing.
Right.
It smells delicious. By the
Oh
way.
yeah. It's about ready now.
It's about ready now.
Right. We toast our buns.
Yeah.
Get our buns getting crispy.
Okay, so that's important to get the buns crispy.
Absolutely.
You can't have a dry bun.
No, you can't have a dry bun.
Right.
You got to have a bun with a little sprig of grease on it.
All right.
So you get that flavor.
That's where the real flavor
The
comes
flavor
in, right?
comes in the bread also.
All right, so I'm gonna leave it to you. I want you to make me a customized burger, the Blake special, what you like.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, let's do that.
We get the bun. We put a little mustard.
Okay.
A lot of people said, my brother, he swore that mustard don't come on a burger. He said mustard only come with hot dogs.
Huh. What's you're obviously not of the same opinion.
No.
Okay.
I'm an opinion, well, whatever the customer wants, that's what we do.
Fair enough.
So we put a little lettuce, we put a little pickles.
Right.
We either put raw onions or we can grill them on the stove here.
What do you prefer?
I prefer raw onions.
You prefer raw. Okay, so
Right.
we'll stick with the raw onions.
Right. Then we put a little tomatoes. And then if you want cheese,
Yep.
you got a little cheese on here. And then we put mayonnaise.
Look at that.
Yes.
Mayonnaise, important.
Yes. We put it here.
Look at this.
And normally what we do is when people get fries,
Uh-huh.
we always cut it in half.
Put your burger in the tap. Okay.
99% of our customers like the burger in half.
I like that.
And then
I
we
like
put,
that.
Then we'll put fries here, onion rings, or sweet potato fries.
That's amazing. But
And that's it.
let's look at this, guys. Let's have a look at this beautiful, beautiful burger here. I can't wait to sink my teeth in that. So this is the Blake special, huh?
That's the Blake Special burger.
This, how will I feel when I eat this? How am I gonna, what's the first thing that goes to my mind?
Unbelievable.
I am so excited.
And then you're going to want to I have to go back again.
Guys, we're on the verge of history here. I may never have had a burger like this. This may be the best burger I've ever had. I'm looking at it, I am excited. I saw it being made. मुझे तो बहुत शौक है ऐसे burgers खाने का और मैं बहुत excited हूँ. देखते हैं कि इसका actual taste क्या है. Blake, I'm gonna try this.
Absolutely.
All right?
Okay.
All right. Everyone ready for this? सब लोग तैयार हैं? Okay. Here we go. The moment of truth. What was that word you used? Unbelievable?
Unbelievable.
Blake, amazing. You, sir, are a maestro, an artist.
जबरदस्त
Let's just get B-roll.
तू ले ले